Hi and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you how to find PDFs of research papers and stuff. So first of all, I will introduce myself. So I am a master's student and I'm doing masters with thesis. So I need to read and to search for a lot of research papers and stuff from universities and from everywhere. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. So that's why I was looking like for sorry, some PDFs and research papers in Google, but I always find some weak, let's say, researches and stuff. So I try to I don't know, open my mind and think more deeply and search for these thingies in deep. So that's why I will show you today how to find these papers. So normal people will just write free research papers, AI or whatever, or like just like that. So here, Google will show you only the optimized like pages because he cares more about SEO and stuff. But we don't need this. Like, I don't know, let's open anything. Like here, for example, the first one is LinkedIn. Why should I see or find LinkedIn like post for just to search for papers and research papers and stuff? Or let's just open like for example Google Scholar. Okay, it doesn't give me anything. What is this? As you can see, nothing. So how to search for real research papers from Google? I will show you now. One small information that you should know, that universities and big like labs for researchers and stuff, they do not use SEO. They don't need it. They just post their research papers and stuff, and that's it. So mostly, or we can say that 90% of research papers are not uh, optimized for SEO and stuff. So that's why you should write this file type, 2 points, I forgot about the name of this PDF. And like for example here I want to search about AI research papers, so I will write AI research file type, these 2 points, and PDF. And look now, I will only find PDFs and mostly from universities and stuff. Like if I will click here, look, a PDF will just appear, and I think this is the thesis or something like that. No, it's just a research. So it's really powerful. It's amazing. Look, all of them are PDFs. All of them are PDFs. So this is how you search for PDFs in Google. By the way, it's not just for just a research, but if you write research here, it will give you only the research papers as PDF. Okay, this is amazing. This is so powerful, and it optimizes your time. Like you're wasting your time if you will just write AI research paper PDF or something. Okay, now let's say that you want to filter these PDFs according to the research, or to the source. I'm sorry, you want to only get the real PDFs from universities or labs or something like that. You will only add something which is site 2 points dot edu, which is education. So like that, you will only get the papers from websites that ends with .edu, which is education, from schools, from universities, as we said, labs and stuff. So look, all of the websites now are coming from, or of the PDFs are coming from websites ends with edu, which is amazingly good. Again, it optimizes our time and so great for research. Now let me show you something crazier. So if you want to enter in the core of the university and stuff, you will just write this entitle 2 points index of AI file type PDF. Again, here you can change the field or the topic that you want to search for, okay? Here you will get the thing that you wanted. See, so it's index of artificial intelligence, system ethics, and stuff. It's really amazing and crazily good. And for more advanced filtering, you can filter by like this. For example, we don't need the courses, we only need the researches or something like this. So, or you need the courses. So, like that, we are filtering only courses. Like, for example, here we got the artificial intelligence definitions, it's the course and with everything. So, yeah, you can filter with the thing that you want. But also, you can expand the result by using or here, and now you will get machine learning or AI courses or PDFs, not courses here, but PDFs. And if you don't know the full title, you can use the star. Like, for example, here, deep learning star model and file type PDF again, and it will give you all the models and stuff, okay? Amazingly good. Again, so good and optimizes your time in search. So, for a real workflow, let's say now you need to have a library of research papers that you need to read or you need to check or whatever. So just open PDFs, save them, and change the names if you want, and then you can have your own library and with a real good research. And even if you will talk to your teacher or your supervisor, he will be like crazily um, shocked because you got these results. Like for me, for example, when he told me to search for these papers and stuff, I didn't find anything. And when I showed him, he was like, look, you are a master's student and maybe you will do your doctorate, so you need to know how to search. That's why I did my best because I felt so bad and so upset when he told me this. And yeah, I found this and I wanted to show you also because sharing is caring, and I know that you need it if you enter to this video. And yeah, this is how we search, this is how we do, and I hope God help you in your researches and for your PhD or your master's or even your bachelor's degree. And thank you, love you, and don't forget, thank God for every single thing, and don't forget to be grateful to all tools we have, everything that you have, and also for videos that shows you things like that. And again, please be safe and bye bye.